The reason I find that very interesting is because I've been having a similar thought process with my elder two children of 14 and 15, and they've had a very international education. They both speak fluent Mandarin. They're now at an international school here in Dubai. My concern, and I know the school is making an effort to talk about sustainability and SDGs, but they're still not progressive enough in terms of inspiring these young people to make change happen. We're still very rigid in our approach to education. And I think that's really hard when you're trying to raise kids and when they go to university, you're trying to jump through hoops to enable them to then have choices. But at the same time, you want them to be free thinkers and game changers. So I think it is very, very difficult, actually. I say to my girls, you don't need to get straight A's, but I get their report cards and I'm like, there's a few too many B's and C's in there, because I was educated to think success looked like straight A's, right?
Yeah.
Which it doesn't.